Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of widgets not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now this is the widgets app. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Here's a switch for widgets. If it's off, then the widgets are off, and if it's on, then the widgets are available. Now if this doesn't work, simply search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open task manager. Wait till this list populates. Right click on the Windows Explorer application and select restart. And you can also restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.